How to update YouTube on Android. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel and let us get started. In this video, I'm going to show you 2 ways you can update your YouTube application in your Android device. The first way is opening up your web browser and searching for YouTube. Just type in YouTube and you will see Google Play option. Tap onto Google Play YouTube. In case you see update, you have to tap on update and update your app. Now this is one way. Now another way is opening up your Play Store and searching for YouTube. Just like so, if you see update, tap onto update and update your app. Once the updation is completed, you can tap on open and open your YouTube. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then please like and subscribe.